Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this SWEETFULL bladeless neck cooler. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So it says ultra long endurance, safe and bladeless, comfortable wearing, and this is a black one. Here's a manual. It says product model is F60. Product name is bladeless neck hanging fan. Battery capacity is 4,000 milliamp hours. Input is DC 5 volt at 1 amp max. So this could be charged with a typical cell phone charger. The battery is lithium ion. The fan power is 5 watts max. The blade material hardness is less than D60 Shore. I don't know exactly what that is, but you can look that up if you need to know. The fan speed is 2 meters per second max. Product weight is 280 grams. Charging time is 4 hours. Working time is 4 to 16 hours depending on the different gears use scenarios. So it comes with a fan, charging cable, manual, and bag. So it has Type-C port, switch gear, indicator, TPU hose, air inlet, air outlet. So here's the instructions. You put it on your neck, you press power, you press the power again to change the speed. It has cleaning and maintenance instructions here, charging instructions. Here's some precautions. It says, do not place your hair too close to the air inlet, get your hair involved in the air cavity, threaten your safety, and shorten your product life. When the fan is in normal use, when the white light flashes quickly, it indicates the remaining power is too low and the device needs to be charged. Do not or open or bend the TPE hose with excessive force to prevent damage. The battery must not be disassembled, hit, squeezed, thrown into a fire. If severe swelling occurs, do not continue to use it. Do not place the product in a high temperature environment. Okay? So the instruction said something about a bag, but I don't see a bag here. It says CPE bag. I don't know if that's this bag or something else. So here's the rubber and that bends. Here's the charging cable, so that will charge right here. And here's how we turn it on with this little button. Okay, so that's running right now. It's pretty quiet. I'll hit it again. Okay, that's faster. Faster then. And that's off. Okay, so we have low, medium, high, and off. So here are the inlets. So you want to have this up. So it has left and right on here, but you'll know if it's on wrong. And if you wanted to cool your shoulders, I guess you could turn this upside down. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around and I'll demonstrate it on my head. Okay, so here's the fan. I'll place this around my neck. So this can be spread wide or narrow. The button is under my right thumb. So that's turned on now. So it's blowing air through here, right up through this area. I'll turn it up a little more. That's medium. That's high. So it's pretty quiet on low. So it's actually kind of a white noise. So this could be relaxing. That's a little less quiet. And that's pretty loud. That could annoy some people. But if the sound was bothering you, you could put headphones in and listen to music. As you can see, I have quite a bit of hair right now, and it's not really blowing the hair, but it is blowing air up along my face. So you could probably potentially rotate this a little bit if you did want wind more under your chin. You can't really bend it in too much because it kind of constricts against the neck. It seems like it would be pretty comfortable to wear long term. I can definitely feel it around my shoulders and neck, but it's not heavy and it's not annoying. So I think this would probably be more comfortable than being hot. So the two sides here can be angled out or inwards, like so, depending on how you want to direct the air. And inside here it has some fan blades. So it says bladeless, it just means the blades aren't exposed. So I imagine after using this for a while, this could get some dust in here. So you take a vacuum up to it and suck it out. Probably suck the vents out too. And then I imagine you could get sweat along the rubber on the back and the sides. So you probably want to wipe that down. But otherwise, I think this would be a nice way to cool yourself at, say, a ball game, at a picnic, maybe at the beach. Or you could even use this while, say, riding a bike. Now, it seems weird to wear something like this while riding a bike, but I've been riding bikes on days when the air is just not moving. And this would have probably made me feel a lot more comfortable. So that's the SWEETFULL portable neck fan. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.